Jaden! Jaden, it's mommy! It's mommy, babies! Oh! That was a big one! What was that? Did that feel good? Did that feel good? Hi, you happy now? Jaden. Jaden is gonna be a month old tomorrow, and not sure how much he weighs, but he's been drinking a lot, 4 ounces every 3-4 hours. So he's gonna be a big boy. Aw, buddy. Yeah? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. You tell mommy? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, he's gonna get antsy and crabby. Oh, 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 yeah? Yeah? You want me to hold you? Okay, okay, okay. All right, say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye.